Well, people say a picture is worth over 1,000 words. Look at this one as we're about to play up. Right ahead of the Bihar elections, there is UP ka ladka Rahul Gandhi with his new friend or dost Tejasvi Yadav, both welcoming the Dravidian lion M.K. Stalin in Bihar, along with his sister and DMK MP Kanni Modi. Now let's take a look at another picture that has been posted by M.K. Stalin, flanked by Rahul and Tejasvi. He called them his brothers in a post on X, a gesture warmly reciprocated by Rahul Gandhi himself. Now, who posted this picture, which included them and the Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who also joined the Voter Adhikar rally or this march against the vote chori narrative. Also joining the yatra was Telangana's Tiger Revanth Reddy and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi, all of them sitting on one vehicle. Now, it was a show of solidarity, a show of strength, a show of unity by the opposition bloc ahead of the elections in Bihar, the same Bihar from where this dosti began, and it was only in Patna when the opposition came together, and that time it was Nitish Kumar who was spearheading this very idea. India bloc was born to fight against the BJP. Now, the first meeting that happened in Patna in 2023, interestingly, it was Nitish Kumar who chaired that meeting. Now that he is friends with the BJP again, he has exited the opposition India bloc. Now, is this the reason why? Despite insulting and mocking the people from Bihar in the past, both Revanth Reddy and M.K. Stalin joined Rahul's yatra to secure votes for the Vipaksh, as far as this hypocrisy is being called out by the BJP. Now, as far as 2023 is concerned, let's take a look back. It was Revanth Reddy's first day in office as the new chief minister, and he said that Telangana's DNA is better than Bihar DNA, and my DNA is Telangana, KCR's DNA is that of Bihar. Now, DMK is also no different than the Congress leader. The leaders who have been following the footsteps of M.K. Stalin as well, as a compilation of all of those reactions that has been done on part of the BJP to call out their double standards.
தமிழ்நாட்டு வேலைக்குழுவில் நுழைக்கிறது அதன் மூலமாக பிஜேபி வளர்த்தலாம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சூழ்ச்சி செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
பீகார்ல ஹிந்தி மட்டும் படிக்கிறது இங்க வந்து தமிழ கத்துக்கிட்டு இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடு கட்டி தரோம், சாலையை பிறக்கலாம், கக்கூஸ் கழுவுறோம். இதாங்க ஹிந்தி படிச்சா.
Now, the BJP has called out the anti-Bihari mindset hitting out at Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav. BJP netas say that they are glorifying those who have abused and mocked the people of Bihar in the past. BJP now has sought an apology as well.
राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी और तेजस्वी यादव जी को माफी मांगना चाहिए बिहार की जनता के सामने। जो उनको गाली दे उन्हीं को हीरो बना के बिहार में घूमते हैं।
तेजस्वी प्रसाद यादव जी, जरा आपसे भी हम पूछना चाहते हैं कि जब चेन्नई में बिहारियों को गाली दिया गया था तो आपने भी उस समय उनके विरुद्ध बोला था। आज आप कौन सा सफाई देना चाहते हैं?
डीएमके के दयानिधि स्टालिन कहते हैं कि बिहारी तो तमिलनाडु में शौचालय साफ करने आता है। क्या संदेश देना चाहती है कांग्रेस पार्टी, आरजेडी, कि जो बिहारियों का अपमान करेगा, उनकी अस्मिता को ठेस पहुंचाएगा, उनको स्टार प्रचारक बना दिया जाएगा?
Now, we also have a reaction that is coming in from the newest player in Bihar, which is Prashant Kishore. Listen in to his idea as well, as far as what does he say on this opposition show of strength.
रेवंत रेड्डी का बिहार में क्या औकात है? बिहार के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? बिहार के लोगों को गाली दिया है। ये कहा है कि बिहार के लोगों का डीएनए है मजदूरी करना। तो रेवंत रेड्डी तो आ जाए कहीं गांव में तो जनता दौड़ा लेगी लाठी डंडा लेकर। राहुल गांधी अपने मंच पर बहन पर लेकर घूम रहे हैं, तो राहुल गांधी की मानसिकता दिखाता है कि बिहार के लोगों को गाली देने वाले आदमी को आप मंच पर घुमा रहे हैं।
Now, as far as the other players are also concerned, now this is not just one BJP who says that they insulted Biharis earlier, and seeking votes from the same people is something that is ironical. Both of these leaders who seem to have forgotten what they said, but will they be forgiven by the Janta of Bihar as far as will the strength or the show of strength and unity, will it translate into votes? But let's tell you a little bit about the migrants, the key key contributors and they are indispensable. They form the backbone of several sectors. But do you also know that it is migrants that make up to 1/3 of India's total population, where they account for nearly 34.6% of the country's urban sector, where migrants hailing from Bihar in Tamil Nadu are about 2.51 lakh. In Telangana, they are about 61.88 lakh. So when they are so crucial, why do they face such kind of prejudice and attacks? Why is that North's pride is South's prejudice? Let's get a word from Sabyasachi again. Sabyasachi, good morning. When we talk about all of these factors that are now at play, majorly when it comes to this photo op that seems to be happening of the opposition leaders that have been called in Bihar to celebrate their unity, will it actually translate into votes?
Well, see, the opposition is hoping that the Vote Adhikar Yatra, which is being conducted by the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and we had seen that heavyweights from the opposition side have been joining this yatra. Now the opposition feels that this time around the vote will be converted in favor of them. But there are other factors as well, with Prashant Kishore in the frame, with Asauddin Owaisi in the frame. So that clearly is a challenge for both Rahul Gandhi as well as Tejaswi Yadav. Now, yesterday the pictures that had come out where the Chief Minister of Telangana as well as M.K. Stalin were present along with Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi Yadav. Now, be it the BJP or Prashant Kishore, now the BJP in fact have branded the entire yatra as Bihar Apman Yatra by Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi Yadav. In fact, both Prashant Kishore and the BJP has reminded Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi Yadav that how in the past they have been speaking about the welfare of the people of Bihar, and now they are sharing the stage with the people who time and again have raised question on the people of Bihar. One have questioned on the DNA of the people of Bihar, the other one under whose watch several people from Bihar has been attacked in the state of Tamil Nadu. So these statements have been made by the BJP and the Prashant Kishore, and they have expressed that this exposes the mindset of both Tejaswi Yadav as well as leader of opposition Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
All right, the Voter Adhikar Yatra is about to conclude, but as far as when it comes to the show of strength that has been put up by multiple leaders drawn across multiple states of the opposition, ruled chief ministers as well, they have been invited to participate in this yatra. For the moment, thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for joining in. Let's move on to another controversy. This is the clash over the Kathajibu Island that has returned, and this is 200